Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to delete other files in Samsung phone. So let's head over to this file section or my files. And once in there, just head over to the manage storage. And once in there, just you'll find the total ratio of your storage. And from here, you have to see the other profile or other storage that it is getting. So you have to go to your large file section. From here, you have to keep tab on each one of them and delete them one by one. And then your phone or storage or other files can be deleted like this. From the large files, you can go to duplicate files and unused files too, or unused apps. Thus, your phone can get enough space for you and it can work better. So yeah, this is what we needed to tell you. Hope this video helped you out and see you in the next video.